When I think about what I want to do, I've always wanted to be in kind of special event production. I was working with an organization called Bay Sail that owns and operates the Appledore Tall Ships. I started working there as kind of an office professional, admin assistant with their executive director. As we had some transitions within the organization, I stuck around and I moved into marketing roles. We were responsible for producing the Tall Ship Celebration Festivals, so I was around for 3 festivals, 2013, 16, and 19. It was 2016 when I got involved with an organization called Perceptions, which is now Great Lakes Bay Pride. We got to a place where they said, hey, we'd like you to come on full-time as our first full-time staff member and executive director. I'm really proud of the fact that we came out of the pandemic in such a strong position. We saw the need for our programs and services increase while we were experiencing those times of isolation and not having that connection to the community, which is so important. And so I'm really proud of the fact that we came out of that we were in a strong position. We've been able to grow since then. We've increased our programming quite a few times over and are continuing on a path forward to make sure that we're bringing these inclusive resources and programs and events across the Great Lakes Bay region. I think the impact of my success is that we've made a community that's often underrepresented and maybe under-resourced, brought a little bit more to the forefront in our community. We've made really, really intentional efforts about creating these visible opportunities for people to engage with the community, to be able to live their lives openly and without fear of discrimination here in the Great Lakes Bay region. We have a very large and prosperous region, and it'll always be my goal to keep bringing as many resources here to the community as we can. I think it's really important that we highlight all of the great things that we have here and hope that my role here has been able to amplify that across the state.